Hello and welcome to Video Boot Camp. I'm your host Robert Brennan, and today we're going to be looking at importing video from a drive-based camera. So be that either solid state drive or hard drive. First thing we're going to want to do is make sure we attach the camera, typically through the USB on your computer. We're going to go ahead and open up the camera. And on most cameras, you'll actually have to say playback on PC in the menu of your camera. So go ahead and check your camera's manual to be sure of that. But I'm using a JVC, and as soon as you open the door, it just says playback on PC, and I say okay. So as soon as I say okay to playback on PC, it opens a new import window and shows me thumbnails of all the clips I have on the drive. So these clips are added every single time we press record, and then stop will be a new clip. So I have 1 minute and 9 seconds, 4 minutes and 37 seconds, and 1 minute and 120. One thing we can do is I have it preset to manual, but if I set it to an automatic import and click import all, you'll just bring in everything off the hard drive. So when you have very few files like I do, it's not a bad option. The camera I have can hold 7 hours worth of videos, so if you have a whole bunch of video files that you've collected over time, you might not necessarily want to import all of them, in which case you would click on manual, and I'm going to show you that. Once you enter manual mode, what you'll see is each one of the clips will have a checkbox underneath. If it's checked, it's good to import. So I can uncheck all, select just that one. You'll import just that file. I can check 2 and then import just those files. I can select and uncheck one and import those files. So what you're able to do here is import only the files that you find important. I'm going to go ahead and import all. I'm going to save it to a portable drive I have called Thaw Space. And I am going to create a new event. And I'm going to keep it full original styles. And now it's begun its import. We can now click OK that iMovie has imported everything. Go ahead and close the import window. And we can see that we have a new event created. And here's some great video of my dog. So you can see iMovie has created a new events folder and placed all the clips inside the events folder here, which we can move up to the timeline and start working on the project. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Video Boot Camp. I'm your host, Robert Brennan, and we'll see you next time.